Alright, here's a tour of my 2004 Bluebird International 3800. I just got the bumpers back the other day. I had them powder coated. As you can see right here, they turned out pretty good. A couple of the other things I've been doing to this bus this summer is I put in a brand new stainless steel step well. As you can see right here, it's got stainless steel bolts, stainless steel trim, brand new step treads, and a new step well light to go with it. Today I'm working on the rear frame. I've been doing some sandblasting to it, as you can see right here, getting all the rust and everything off of it, and the cross members up here. And it's gonna look really nice when it's done. Here's the fuel tank area. I got the bumper off yet back here, and as you can see, it's turned out really nice. Sandblasted all this under here and repainted it. This is just gloss black Rust-Oleum paint. This bus here has the DT466E, and it has air brakes on it. So it's one of the ones everybody wants. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like some other videos, please let me know.